Good morning, Dr. Greg. I'm Giulio Bonici from the Malta Independent. I'm asking you, as the FIU chairman, I'm sure you've read our story about concerning the FIU report. Why have you failed to take action?
What do you mean I failed to take action? I explained yesterday that the FIU board deals with policy. It is not privy, it does not conduct particular investigations itself.
So you had no knowledge of any report?
Well, first of all, there are confidentiality issues within the FIU. The law is very strict.
Yeah, but you're not speaking about the report. Did you or did you not have knowledge of the report?
Of the content of the report, no.
But you had knowledge that such a report existed?
That the FIU was working on a particular case.
So when Pilatus didn't give in this FIU report to the magisterial inquiry, why did you, as the FIU chairman, not speak up and tell them to give the report?
I am not privy to the documents in the handed over in the investigation. This is conducted by the magistrate, not by me.
Okay, but if it ends up emerging that you did have knowledge of this FIU report, do you feel that it's your duty to resign?
I said that I did not have knowledge of the content of the FIU report. Much is being said that I have a copy of it. It's not true, absolutely. So I mean, I think I have to stop there. Right, I don't have to enter into further issues.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay,
bye-bye.
Thank you.